Greetings, folks. It's your old pal, Billy Bob Barnes, Triple B, at your service. It's great to be back here with you nice folks. My cousin Tom Barnes asked me to cover for him, so I'm here. This channel will be providing you with answers to your questions on relationships, on marriage, on dating, or just wanting to be lonesome. Help on raising children. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If y'all remember, I'm the fella that owns the chicken farm. Excuse me. Hello? Yes? Uh-huh. Oh, hi, Henrietta. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. Look here, sweetie, keep the girls happy. I'll be home. Papa will be home soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Sorry about that, folks. Let me introduce you to the big man, Guru Acharu. Hello, my friends from YouTube land. It is I, once again, Guru Acharu, here to answer your questions on relationships. I want to thank Billy Bob for filling in for Tom Barnes. Again, you have done excellent. It's been a long time since we seen you, Billy Bob, Triple B, B to the third power. Well, my friends, Tom and I had a nice trip to the US of A to see Dr. Sexy with an E. It was a very interesting session. He was checking me out, I was checking him out, and one day he is going to come up to the Himalayas. It's a very dangerous trek, but I am confident that he will make it. Next time, he will be traveling all the way up here in the mountains of the Himalayas, my territory, where I will ask him questions of the ways of Guruism. That should be interesting. Well, after all that chit-chat, I believe we have time for one letter. So let me see. This letter is from Henry, and he is from Uruguay, South America. And he writes, Hola Guru, my wife has been getting mucho headaches whenever I try to get romantic. I am getting mucho discouraged. How can I get her to do things, Guru? Well, Henry, what you have to do is let some time pass. Come up the stairs one night when you want to do things. Bring a glass of water and a jar of aspirin, headache pills. When she says to you, what are you doing with the aspirin and the water? I don't have a headache. That's when you say, ha, 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 ha. You start unbuttoning your shirt, taking off your shirt, unbuttoning your belt, and then she's going to have a face like this. And she's going to be so happy. She will have no excuses. And that's how you do it. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Please come back next week for another episode of Guru Chuckle. And again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Y'all take care. Bye-bye. Okay, so now we are out of time. Please come back next week for another episode of Guru Chuckle. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye.
What do you mean I'm handpicked?